Hi folks, this is one more video showing how we pack pods or any other type of container, such as shipping containers, pack rats, SAMs, and many others. Note that we build straight walls and transversal to the biggest container measurement. Along our 19 years loading and packing containers, we found that this is the most effective way to optimize space. All furniture loaded in this container was packed with multi-layered paper pads and shrink wrap for protection. The result is a clean and safe packing job. The shrink wrap helps to interlock all pieces together. Delicate items and some pieces of furniture are packed inside of big wardrobe boxes. The boxes are then stacked, and the result is a neat, firm, and stable packing. To build walls, we pick and sort items from different rooms of the house. We try to interlock the items as if we were completing a puzzle. We mix furniture and boxes to optimize space as much as possible. We tie the loading layers, generally one set of tie downs in the middle of the container and another set at the end. This of course varies depending on the size of the container. The more tie down layers are applied, the less likely the load will shift and less chance of having damaged items. Try to use the vertical space as much as possible, but it is advisable to leave some 4 or 5 inches of space before the roof of the unit. Some container companies stack the containers in their warehouse. The container's roof will be compressed. If your items are too close to the roof, damage can occur. Check our other videos on container packing and loading. We hope they will help you. If this video was helpful for you, please give us the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like that. And that is it. God bless America.